Outbound bots with one-off campaigns are used to send a one-time promotional message to your contacts, like announcing a sale, sending festive greetings, etc. To get started, click on Build a Bot and select Build an Outbound Bot. Next, select One-Off Campaign, as we want to run this campaign only once, and give a name to your bot. Now, let's add contacts to the campaign. To do that, click on the trigger block. Give a name to your trigger. Upload a CSV file that contains the contact's name, phone number, or anything that you would like to use in the template message. Once uploaded, map each column from your CSV file to its respective variable. This ensures the data is stored correctly and can be used for personalization. Next, click on the plus icon to add a Send WhatsApp block, which will send a template message to your contacts. Configure the Send WhatsApp block by naming it, selecting the WhatsApp number to send from, choosing the contact's phone number variable, selecting the message template, and verifying the template preview. After setting up the initial WhatsApp message, let's look at a bot flow that already includes delays, delivery checks, and fallback channels. In this flow, the first WhatsApp message is sent to the contact. Now you can add Send Status block to check whether the WhatsApp message was delivered or not. If the WhatsApp message fails or is not delivered, a fallback is set to send an SMS. If the SMS also fails or is not delivered, a fallback is set to send an email instead, ensuring the message still reaches the user. Now, if a message is delivered but not seen or replied to, you can set a follow-up using a delay block. Add a delay of a few hours or a day to send the next follow-up message at the right time without overwhelming users. Next, once the flow is ready, click Deploy. Then click Send Campaign, and your one-off campaign has been sent successfully. This setup helps you automatically handle different situations and ensures smooth message delivery.